Jo Acholi. Welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi, segment me Kwan Leb Acholi. Month session number 56. Puroti Kwan Lugmi Palwar. But today I wanted to conclude Lugmi Palwar again. Then Chalo La Church will know a lot of information about subclan me Palwar. So because of that, the information that we look me subclan mo dong ne in kono update ko lang mo and mo ni look and knock. So I want to work in on a take one ne. Actually me clan can TV. Okay. So I want to look me Palwar. Do ko me Palwar wing. I want to look me ngoni. Palwar me achiel. Ka amicha. Okay. Biro ka kwana lok mi ngoni na kwana lok mi koyo pabe ge lomarati okay mantina mero kwana lok mi ngo Agata Omere Lobone ge Isore okay and excuse me if I pronounce it all wrong. It seems like my video recording is a bit delayed, excuse me please. So tina kona Agata, Omere, Lobone, Isore. My yard, and then diga Chaka Kwana of the clan mokene. Okay. Maybe Panikwana, maybe Omere. I don't know. I will surprise you guys tomorrow night. But teen will have fun look at it me Palwar. Hi me Palwar. Please drop me a comment or a DM. Give me a bit of guess. You can take information about. Me Palwar. I made anyone know more information, and it seems like we won't have the information. I can book me area, me book any. I'll show you second edition me book. Kuna yenye book a Kwan bena me nano ka information me Palwar Omere. But for right now, we are Kwan do na okay. Katika chao clan kene anakuwa mata. Anya Jackline Ikang of court at online or Chaka Ikang South Sudan on Facebook. Our official Facebook page is Chaka Leb Acholi. We also post there. We post on my Facebook, and then also follow us on YouTube. Go to your YouTube to Chaka Leb Acholi. Okay. If you'd like to be a guest, please send me a private message or a DM, or leave a comment under this video or under any video, and I'll get back to you so we can discuss anything related to Acholi culture, origin, Jo Acholi, Leb Acholi. Okay, I'll format it. So I'm going to jump right into Kwana lok mi ngone. Kwana lok mi Palwar Chaka gi Agata ka adonya ilok mi Omere Lobone Isore. Okay, it's just about 1.5 pages each section, or it's just a paragraph. I'm sorry if I'm delayed. I don't know if my recording is delayed. Okay. I'm at a Chaka Kwan. I hope it's not delayed. If this recording is delayed, I will do a separate recording, just reading the information of Kwan Tech. Okay? All right, please make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, engage with the platform. Please support my tech. Okay, la jojo chaningo look me Agata. Te kwara Acholi Sudan wajani dana me Agata obino ge e ka bedo maparapat a de kidman. Dano mokena obino ge e Agoro malo. Dana mokena obino ge Lokung. Ka dana mokena kono obino ge Labati-Olwonga. Gin duchu obino ge Uganda. Okay. Jo Agata wero lobo Uganda pilocom cage ma obedo kanero dano maduong. Imwaka macha e karma abedo kapenyo lodiro Acholi. Lodiro mokene owacho borani. Dano mi Agata mokere bene obino gi ikoyo ilomi obo. Okay. Minyang look me te kwarpa jo agata mabe miro ikwan second edition me book man. Okay, so we will look for the second edition of this book. Katire look me book anyway, amikwano. Okay. Yala team gi got agata la jojo choni ngani. Jo agata tiegi team achiel keken magi lungo ni team agata. Okay. Enter gin peregi got nyo jok. Okay. If you're from Agata, if you have more information, please drop your comments. Send us a private message. We're going to learn more about subclan too. Me Palwar man molodoni Agata. Okay, akwa. Yala lokum Omere, wala Omeri. Okay, like chojo choningo. Te kwar Acholi Sudan wajini dano mi Omere bene obino gi Agoro mamalo Lokung gi Labati-Olwonga. Gin oworo kachiel gi Jo Agata. Gin dong opoke la chen gi kom Jo Agata. Ento kari bed Jo Omere Omeri opoke waka gi kom Jo Agata. Wanongo ni lokmi kaka pori tie matek ikingi. Jo Omere Omeri oweko lobo Uganda pi Lokung cage. Ma bero kaneko dano madung imoga macha. Ikar ma bero ka penyolo dira choli dano mokena wajibora ni dano mi Omere mokena bene obino gi koyo obo. So it's the same. Mini ang look mi te kwa Jo Omere mabe miro ikwan second edition mi book man. Okay, same situation wabi kwano lachien to get more information. Lakin ka in mi Omere, send us a DM or a comment. Mi mera look me Jo Omere wala Omere mi Palwar apo amatek. Yala regarding look mi team gi got mi Omere wala Omeri. Achojo choni nga. Jo Omere nyo Jo Omeri. Pure gi team got nyo jok. Okay? Drop your comments. Kain mi Omere nyo mi Palwar. What do you think? Anapo amabe. Anapo amatek. Lebe Jolly deck. Okay. Man look me ngot Lobone. Ange waje Lobone because daddy para beri Lobone karma large. E ma bi waje kedeni. Nungata moni ngani wan mi Lobone. Wan jo patanga wan mi Lobone kalakin dad para beri kuya mo dog kang ci beri Lobone. Sata Lobone munu kena ti Palwar. I hope I'm not delayed. Okay, so now regarding Lobone, excuse my son, please. Te kwar mi Acholi wajani dana mi Agata Omere gi Lobone duju obino gi Uganda kinma wabero kaneno malo kan. Dana mokene obino gi Agoro mamalo dana mokene gi Lokung ka dana mokene kono obino gi Labati-Olwonga. Jo Lobone oweko lobo Uganda pi Lokung cage ma bero kaneko dano madung imoga macha. Okay. Minyang lok mi te kwarpa Jo Lobone mabe miro ikwan second edition me bookman. Okay. Same situation, same scenario. Mirwa kwan kon second edition me booking. Okay. Yala regarding team gi God Lobone. La jojo joining ngani. Jo Lobone peregi team God new jock. Drop your comments. What do you think? If you're from Lobone or Palwar, leave your comments, send me a message. Look me take water too. Okay? Yala regarding Isore, the last subclan me Palwar. Okay? Isore. I'm sorry, I might be delayed. Isore. 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 Am I delayed? I'm sorry, guys. Our video party delayed. Yala la jojo choning on it. Te kwaro Acholi Sudan pe wajo kama dano mi Isore obino giye. Okay? Ento ikare ma bero ka penyo lo dira choli ma gin bene pe Jo Isore, Jo Isore, Isor. Ci lo diro man o wajo borani nen chalo Jo Isore, obino gi Katire. Pilok man wan pe wangeo ma be ka ma dano mi Isore obino gi ento ka imiro niang ma be lo ma doki tekwaro mi Isore Kwan second edition mi bookman. Same clan and way me Kwan second edition pen information about no. Okay? Yeah, regarding team gi got Isore. La jojo chaninga Jo Isore piregi team got your jock. If you're from Isore, your Palwar, drop your comments. Please engage with the Kwan. We need more information. My tech. I hope the video is not delayed. That's it about Palwar. Okay, it's a very short reading pen information. What do you think, guys? If you're from Palwar, please drop your comments, send me a DM, join the live, join the discussion. Let's talk about Palwar. We want more information. This is a learning platform. Let's all learn together about Jo Acholi, Wang Sudan, Jo Acholi, President of South Sudan, Acholi, Uganda, okay? So drop your comments. Please like, comment, share this video. Engage with this video, engage with this platform. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Leb Acholi. Subscribe to Chaka Ikang. Subscribe to Leb Acholi, the official page to our Facebook. And I pour my tech and Jackline Ikang dig up Chaka reading me clan, Kiana. Nakibutamani a Chaka clan man. Mira tampon. I made a fun about a male. I made a fun about Panikwara. Well, I made a fun about a man. So I will surprise you tomorrow night, Sunday night, with a new reading, new subclan. New clan. Me, I'm not one. Maybe actually Sudan. Okay. And I pour my tech. Have a good night, guys. Bye bye.